Hello everybody, welcome back to Ohio Tickets with Robert. We have the Cash Explosion $1 ticket, player appreciation ticket they put out recently. And I have, it might be about a year now or maybe sometime this summer. I can't remember. I have tickets 60 through 63. And the odds on this 1 out of 4.70. You can win up to $500 on this $1 ticket. So let's see what we can do. We got 2, 500, 10, another 500. We have an entry, and our last is a 2. So unfortunately, nothing on this particular ticket. All right, so let's move on. 20, 500, 10. 20, 10, so this is probably going to be a 500. Yep. Okay, so far nothing, but we keep pressing on. 20, 1, 20, 50, 5, and 5. Batting 1,000 here so far. Last ticket of these for this session. 50, 20, $1, 2, entry, and an entry. But unfortunately, I need to get 3 entries on this particular ticket. Let's just double check. Yep, reveal entry 3 times to appear on the show. So unfortunately, this is a losing session with the Ohio Lottery Cash Explosion player appreciation cards. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and join the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.